Welcome back to another tutorial on Olymp Trade. I'm Kevin, and today we are going to get into details about the Olymp Trade platform. So if you are a beginner, this is the video for you. We'll learn about the trading signals. We'll talk about the area charts, the charts, the chart types and everything. We'll talk even about the trader's way, that is an even refill, a way where you can get free risk-free trades. So if you want to find a way where you can start trading on Olymp Trade risk-free, which means in case you place a trade and then it goes sideways, you still get your investment back, then stick to the end of this video to learn that secret. So without further ado, let me let the disclaimer and the intro roll. Then I'll see you in the other side.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Today, this is the video for you if you want to get in-depth into understanding the Olymp Trade platform. This is how I'll show you how to place your first trade. I know we did that in our previous video. We even talked about how to register, but still we are going to cover that in this video just to cover the ground, to make sure that we are talking about everything. Now there's one thing I want you to do for me, that is you click that subscribe button. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are into blogging, if you are into affiliate marketing, and if you are into trading. This is the channel for you. Remember, these are the things that I do daily. In fact, I own several blogs that are making money through affiliate, and as you can see, this is my trading account. So of course, what I'm teaching you right here is the things that personally I do. No, I'm not just talking, just by reading. I talk out of experience. So please click that subscribe button and click that like. Now the other thing I need you to do is, now that we're talking about the platform, you need an account, and there's a link in the description below. Please click on it, go and register. You'll only need two things. You only need your email address and password, just like that. You stick to the end. I've promised you two things. The first one is I'll show you a way where you can trade risk-free on Olymp Trade, and then the other one is, I'll give you a deposit bonus code. Let's dive into my laptop and we'll get right started with the chart types.
Know what comes next, I'm just doing my best.
There are 4 types of charts that you can find under the chart types here. So there is the area chart, there's Japanese candlesticks, there is the Ikinashi, and then there is bars. The area chart looks like this. The price movement are represented by the line. Then there is the Japanese candlesticks. They look like this. This is the Japanese candlesticks. So this particular type of chart is the most widely used nowadays. So candlesticks carry information about the changes in the price over a specified time frame. So the body and the wick form the candlestick. So this is the body. All of this from here to down here is the body, and then these little straight lines here are what we call the wicks. The body range tells us about the opening price and then the closing price. So the wick on the bottom of the candle shows the highest price, and then the one on the bottom indicates the lowest price. Now the other type of candlestick is the bars, which is this one. So the basic rules of their constructions are the same as in the case of Japanese candlesticks. So this chart type is formed by a vertical line and 2 short perpendicular lines to the left and to the right. So this is the vertical line, and then the perpendicular lines to the left and then to the right. So the short lines give us the information about the opening and closing prices, while a vertical line talks about the highest and the lowest ones. The other type of chart is now the Ikinashi. What do you think? As you can see, the Ikinashi almost resembles the Japanese candlesticks. The Ikinashi candles are made not from pure prices but from calculations made using the prices. Which one should you use? Depends with your personal preference. For me, I love the Japanese candlesticks. First of all, they are very easy to use, and then the other reason is the amount of the information they contain. So they give a general overview of the situation. That's the reason why they can be meaningful and useful without, adding any other indicators.
You keep struggling, bitch,
So what's a trading signal? So a trading signal is a go ahead, to buy or to sell. So these trading signals come often. So to find them, just head over to help, scroll down to trading signals. Under here you will find the trading signals. By the time I was recording this video, we had received at least 2 trading signals. So the trading signals contain the asset that you are supposed to trade, the prediction, and the trade duration, right? And also these 2 means that it works for the fixed time trading and forex. So you can decide either to trade this signal under the forex, or you can use the FTT. So if you are using FTT, then you have the recommended time trade duration and the direction of the trade. All you have to do is just to decide. So if you receive such a signal, your next thing is just to click on it. So when you open it, it will take you directly to the trade. Then since now you already have the asset and you know the direction and you know the duration, so you just have to key in the details. So you just have to choose the trade amount. Next, you already know the trade duration, so you just make sure it's the right trade duration, and then you now act on it. So if it's down, you click down. If it's up like this one, you click up. Now here's what you need to know about trade signals that Olymp Trade sent you. The trade signal is not a direct instruction to trade, but an analyst's recommendation. It should not replace independent market analysis. When you receive such a signal, you have up to 10 minutes to take advantage of it. Immediately you receive that signal, go ahead and do your analysis. Make sure that the signal that you receive coincides or goes along with your own analysis. If we go back to these trade signals, you will notice something, that this signal here has these 3 arrows pointing up, which means this signal was only sent for the expert level traders. There are 3 levels of traders on Olymp Trade. There's the starter, there's the advanced, and then there's the expert. As you can see, mine is the expert level. If you are starter or advanced, you wouldn't receive this kind of signal, but without this bars, all of the trading accounts receive these ones. What does this mean? It means that if you want to receive more signals, more trading signals, or more trading recommendation for that sake, you need to work your way up the statuses. Now, how do you do that? There are 2 ways you can do that. The first one is working your way up. Under your account, you will receive daily tasks. That's what you call the trader's way. So if you click on these 3 tabs, 3 buttons here, click on trader's way, it will open here. Traders of different statuses have different trader's way. So each trader's way consists of several levels. Trade and complete daily tasks to advance from level to level. And then as you advance, you get more rewards and you reach the next level. So you should also realize that the progress will reset every 30 days. So if you work your way up today to expert level and then you stop trading for the next 30 days, when you come back, you'll have to start again. And that's why you need to always trade, to always achieve your daily tasks, to keep your status. As you work your way up through the daily tasks, there are rewards, and one of the rewards is the risk-free trades. Risk-free trades are trades that lets you keep your investment even if the trade ends up unprofitable. So when you get a risk-free trade on Olymp Trade, it means that if you invest say $100 on a trade and you end up wrong and your prediction end up on the opposite side, you get to keep your trade. That's the benefit of following up the trader's ways. Make sure you click on your profile, then head over to daily tasks, to look at your what you need to do today, to advance your level and to earn rewards, which include risk-free trades. Some other times the rewards involves the bonus. So for example, as you can see here, there was a bonus of 30%. When you earn this reward, when you deposit money, you get 30%. Sometimes you get up to 50%. So as you can see, let's look at what here. So as you can see here, the bonus is 50%. So when I reach this level here, when I trade my way to this level here, I will earn this reward of 50%. So that's the advantage. You earn rewards and you increase your level. And as you increase your level, you gain access to more resources to trade. For example, you gain access to exclusive trade signals like this one. And you also unlock trading strategies like this one. So as you can see, these strategies are only available for advanced. For expert level traders. These are only available for advanced, and then these are available for starter. So as you work your way up across these levels, you unlock more resources, you unlock more strategies, and you unlock more rewards. Now let's talk about FTT. So FTT stands for fixed time trading. This is a mode of trading on Olymp Trade. So there are two modes. So there is the fixed time trading, and then there is the forex. So fixed time trading is where you trade for a fixed period of time, and then you get a fixed reward, or you get a fixed payout. For example, here I'm trading the euro USD, and the payout is 82%, which means if I'm correct, I get 82% profit of my invested capital. These are the steps to trade FTT on Olymp Trade. The first thing you need to do is to identify the asset. So there are very many assets. So there are currencies, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, crypto, ETF, and all that. So find the one you want to trade. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin, I'll go to crypto and then Bitcoin. Alternatively, you can type here Bitcoin and it will come. So as you can see, the Bitcoin now has the 80% profitability, which means if I'm correct, I'll get 80% profit on my invested capital. Another way to pick an asset to trade is by choosing depending on their payout. So there's the 90%, then there's the 80%, there's the 70%, and such stuff. If I want to trade only those ones that are returning 90%, I'll just click 90% and then choose from this list. It will be added to your chart. So the next thing, once you've decided the asset, is to study the market. You can see this market is ranging, so it's not trending up, it's not trending down. You can start drawing your support and resistance levels and then wait for it to be broken. So that's our support level. So I'll just wait for this level to be broken. You can also draw the resistance level up there. This asset is now trending under this channel, so you wait for it either to break it up and close the resistance, or break the support and close down here. So if it breaks and close down, you open the down position. If it breaks and close up, you open up an up position. Once you've analyzed, now you decide the amount. You can trade from as low as $1. For this, let's say I will be trading, for example, $100. Then the next thing when trading FTT is, of course, to choose the trade duration. This is how I do it. My trade duration most of the time is 2 times the time frame that I'm analyzing. So if I was analyzing, say, 5 minutes, 5-minute time frame, 5-minute chart, I would trade 10 minutes, right? The same thing applies to if I was analyzing, say, 15 minutes, I would trade 30 minutes. I would open and trade that will last 30 minutes. Why? This is to give market time to react to my analysis. Once you've chosen the trade duration, now you make your prediction. Now, if you're correct, you will get the payout that's indicated here. So if I'm correct for this trade, for example, if I predict it will be, the price will be higher, then I place an up trade. After 10 minutes, if I'm correct, I get 90%. So if it was $100, I get $90 back, right? If I had invested $10, I get $9 back. If I had invested, so for example, $1,000, I get $900 back. Talking of the profitability, you need to understand that the real understanding of this market, the real thing comes when you place your first deposit and start practicing. So go ahead and click the link in the description to create your account. Use the coupon code Kevin30 to get 30% deposit bonus and start trading right now. So go ahead and click that link and use that coupon code. To deposit, just click on payments, click on deposit, go ahead and choose the amount here. Choose the payment method. So there are very many payment methods. There is the PAN cards, cash, electronic, cash payments, cash systems. You can use Bitcoin to deposit. Once you've picked the payment method, don't forget to use the promo code. So use the promo code that I gave you. That just click enter and type Kevin30 in capital letters. Kevin 30 in capital letters, then click check that and then activate, then click next, then provide the information, make sure everything checks out, and then click confirm. Once your payment is received and it is deposited into your live trading account, then you will find that you have an extra 30% added on top of what you deposited. Once you've deposited, you can now start making real money. And as you make real money, it will reach a point where you want, of course, to withdraw your profits. The withdrawal process is really easy. It's straightforward and it's fast. Just click on payments and then click on withdraw and then proceed with the instructions. Now, in case you will have any questions or in case you will encounter any challenges, Olymp Trade support are available 24/7. Go ahead and click help, and you can click on support. You can head over to their knowledge base to read more, to find answers. Also, you can open a chat live with an agent, or you can give them a call using their numbers available here, or you can email them. So that's it, guys. Go ahead and click in the link in the description to register and use the coupon code to get 30% bonus. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell not to miss every time we upload a video about making money through Olymp Trade.